Occasionally, when you're trying to find, identify, and remove duplicates, not only are you interested in whether it is or isn't a duplicate, but you also want to know what instance of the duplicate is it. So, is this the first of two duplicates, or is it just the first cell? We can achieve this with a formula using the COUNTIF formula and being clever with the dollar signs. So what I'm going to do is go to the COUNTIF, and the key here is when I select my range, I'm going to tell it to look here, and by putting in semicolon there, it's going from B2 to B2. So it's starting here and ending here. However, I'm going to put dollar signs only at the start. So I'm telling Excel, always start at B2, but as I copy you down, get longer and longer. The criteria will be that cell there. So when I say OK, it tells me 1. What Excel is doing is it's looking at that cell and saying it's seen that cell once. If I copy it down, when I come, for example, to here, what Excel is doing is it's saying, I'm looking at that cell, I'm comparing it to this list, I've only seen it once. If I come down, you'll notice then over here, there's a 2. What that's telling us is that this bank account number must appear somewhere over here for it to be the second one. The benefit of this is you can now fairly easily, using the filter, if you only want to see the unique items, you can click and say, I just want to see the ones. And now, only the first instance of every item will be shown, and you can copy in this, and this would then be a list of the unique items. Or, I can say, show me the 2s and 3s, and this will now show me the duplicates. So either way, by using this technique, you can get and identify which instance of the duplicate you are looking at.